Check out this Instax Mini 9 instant camera. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do unbiased and honest reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So here is the camera outside of the box, and we picked this up because we wanted to have some instantaneous shots recently, and this absolutely does the trick. It just, turns on by hitting this button right here. And now it is on, and you can just look through the camera, take a picture. You do have some options here to switch around the camera, so it could be in the dark, it could be in the light, and just change it that way. But then you can take a picture and it'll happen instantaneously. It's really that simple. Now this comes with a strap as well that you can keep on your wrist. And also just for extra safekeeping so you don't drop the camera. And there's also a mirror on the front. So this is a selfie mirror. So if you wanted to take a selfie, you could look at yourself in the mirror and look and go with it that way. Now there is a place in the back to put some Polaroids in there, and they will just pop up through this hole when you take a picture. And that's it. I mean, this is essentially the entire product. It's a fantastic camera. And I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.